Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will tell you how to earn money in Township. So earning money, which is also known as coins, is essential for expanding your town, purchasing buildings and growing your resources. And I'm going to just give you some tips in terms of the effective strategies that you can implement and use to earn coins in the game. So first of all, complete orders. Fulfilling orders from the helicopter pad is a steady way to earn coins. Make sure to keep your factories stocked and ready to fill these orders. Also, we have train orders. Sending off trains loaded with goods will also bring back coins along with other valuable resources. Now, the second one we have is the township market. So you need to sell excess goods. Occasionally you will produce more goods than needed, and selling these at the market can provide a good source of income. Also make sure to use the dealer if you have a surplus of township cash. Hiring the dealer to find high demand items can be a profitable investment. Now, number 3, we have regatta tasks. Competing in regatta races and completing tasks can yield a significant amount of coins and rewards. Make sure to join a co-op for access to these events. Under number 4, we have farm and factory management. You need to produce high value items by focusing on producing items that have a high coin return. For example, kegs and jewelry often sell more coins than simple crops or raw materials. Expand fields and factories. More fields and factories allow you to produce and sell more goods, thus increasing your overall earnings. Then we have zoo and community buildings. For example, in terms of the zoo enclosures, building them and upgrading them will attract visitors who can provide coins. Then community buildings. Increasing your town's population by building them allows you to unlock more factories and other coin generating activities. Now we have events and mini games. Township frequently hosts events and mini games that offer coins as rewards. Engaging in these events can be a fun way to boost your income. Also, complete achievements. Each achievement you complete in the game can reward you with coins. Check the achievements tab to see which tasks can help you earn more. And lastly, if you want, that's an optional step, occasionally you can watch the ads. Sometimes game offers an option to watch advertisements for free coins. And by using a combination of these strategies, you can steadily increase your coin income and grow your town more efficiently in Township. So these are the tips, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.